going on, y'all? My name is Donovan Edwards.
Alex Orgy here.
Will Johnson here.
And I'm unboxing the Team 144 National Championship Wolverine boot. And look at this, can tap in real quick. Even got a little message right here on the box.
1,000 miles. It's legit right here. We got the 144 on the back. Shout out last year's team.
These are clean. Wolverine mile on the top. Got the gold details in it.
Check this one more time, 1,000 miles for our 1,000th victory. Got the block M on here. Always, job's finished.
Job not finished. See that? Or job is finished. The job not finished for us yet.
Got the blue boots, Michigan blue with a little maze on the laces. This thing's really legit, man. Real deal.
Can't wait to get these to good use. Go blue.
National Championship boot right here. Go blue.